Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add trust badges and security seals to your Shopify product pages. Trust badges can help reassure customers that your store is secure and reliable, which may increase confidence during the buying process. The easiest way to add them is by using a Shopify app, so let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, click Apps, then select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Trust Badges. You'll find several apps that let you display payment icons, secure checkout badges, free shipping badges, satisfaction guarantees, and other trust seals on your store. Choose a trusted app with good reviews that fits your needs, then click Install and complete the installation process. Once it's installed, open the app from your apps list. Inside the app, choose the type of trust badges you'd like to display. Most apps let you select from secure payment icons, SSL security badges, free shipping badges, satisfaction guarantees, or custom trust messages. Many also provide a live preview so you can see how the badges will appear before publishing them. Next, choose where the badges should appear. For most stores, placing them directly below the Add to Cart button on the product page works best because customers see them right before making a purchase. Some apps also allow you to display badges on the cart page or throughout your storefront if you prefer. After selecting the placement, customize the appearance to match your store. You can usually adjust the size, layout, spacing, colors, and icon style. Keep the design clean and avoid using too many badges at once, since a simple layout often looks more professional and easier to read. Once you're happy with the design, click Save or Publish inside the app. Then visit one of your product pages to confirm the trust badges are displaying correctly. If you don't see them immediately, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. You can also open your store in an incognito window to make sure the latest version is loading. If your theme requires app embeds, go to Online Store, Themes, click Customize, open the App Embeds section, and make sure the Trust Badge app is enabled. As a best practice, only use trust badges that accurately represent your store. Avoid displaying security certifications or guarantees that you don't actually have, as this can reduce customer trust instead of building it. Focus on legitimate payment icons, secure checkout messaging, and policies that genuinely apply to your business. Finally, preview your product pages on both desktop and mobile devices. Make sure the badges don't overlap with other elements and that they remain easy to read without distracting from your product information. A clean, well-placed trust badge section can improve the overall shopping experience while giving customers more confidence to complete their purchase. And that's it. That's how to add trust badges and security seals to your Shopify product pages. It's a quick setup that can make your store look more professional and help build trust with potential customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.